Okay, Shift plus A, UV sphere 26, 18. Okay, so this is one way of making an eye, the easiest way so far. End of this video, comment if yes, it's the easiest way or not. Okay, let's go and do this eye. The image is in the description. Now I'm going to put an iris image in the sphere object. So to do that, we need to know what is UV unwrapping. In short, is basically putting your 2D image on a 3D object surface. We'll split the screen, one part to UV editor and the other part to shader editor. Now go to material property, click on new, name it as eye. You'll notice that these two are the same thing. Okay, all the boxes here are called node. I can press Shift A and add what nodes I need. So I need an image texture node, mapping node, texture coordinate node. We have to either press Shift plus A and add those nodes. The best way is using an add-on called Node Wrangler. Go to Preference, Add-on, Node Wrangler, enable and then save preference. Okay, then click on Principal PSDF, then press Ctrl plus T. Okay, what it did is it added all the nodes we needed for the UV unwrapping. Go to viewport shading, now select it and then go to edit mode. Now we'll add the eye iris image. Here click open. Now eye PNG you downloaded. Now it added the image on top of the sphere, but it's not done properly. Press U for all the options on UV unwrapping method that is there on Blender. Let me try one for you to understand it. See, it changed the way it wrapped around it. But still, it's not good. Okay, so this is the way we'll wrap the eye. Now we'll unwrap it. Press U, click unwrap. Now we are going to add something called seams to the model. Basically what it does is it makes two halves of that sphere so you can place the image in 2D to be in 3D. Select the middle edge loop, press Alt plus left click, now press U, now select mark seams, now press A, then U, now select unwrap. Okay, so one is the right half and the other is the left half of the sphere. So now click on UV synthesize selection so that it helps move side by side. Then click this selection method by face. Then keep your mouse arrow on top. Press L. For some of you, while doing this, it will be attached like this. Just turn off this proportional editing tool. It will be normal now. Press L, then G. See, this part is this side of the sphere. Then go in the middle, then press S and scale it out. Keep scaling till you are satisfied with the size of the image on the sphere. The eye iris image is repeating, so we need to just change the option here to clip. Now it will leave you with only one image. Press Alt plus A to deselect everything. Now let's do the other part. Keep your mouse arrow on top. Press L, move it away from the eye for it to be black. Go on this side, press tab. We need to change this form from black to white. Let me tell you this. Area is called alpha, which is over here. Okay, so now I'll duplicate this principal PSDF. Shift plus D. Make sure the base color is white. Now let me add a mix shader. Press Shift plus A. Okay, now let's take this output of this node and input it here. Let's take this output of this node and input it here. Okay, so this is of the image property and this is only white color, where the alpha is of the image property, which is black color. Okay, so this is white now. We'll make the alpha take this color. So if you want the alpha to take this color, put it to the first one. The second one takes the image area color. Decrease the roughness of both and it's done. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time. Bye.